Hey, do you want to learn how to connect Hostinger Reach with your WordPress website on Hostinger? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get to it. So first, on hostinger.com, you need to go over to hpanel.hostinger.com, and then on the left-hand side, click on this email marketing, which is going to take you over to the Hostinger Reach. And on it, on the top right, you're going to find your user icon. Click on that, and then click on Profile Settings. Then inside it, on the left-hand side, you're going to find integrations. Click on WordPress. Now, if you've already connected it with the Hostinger website builder, it's going to say to disconnect it from here. So just do that, and then you can select the site from here on the right-hand side to connect it to your WordPress website you have installed on Hostinger itself. If you've got a WordPress website that's installed on another service provider like SiteGround or something, then you need to connect site from another provider. Click over here, and you need to install the Hostinger Reach plugin. You can also do that by going over here on the left-hand side in plugins, and then click on Add Plugin. Then over here in Search Plugins, you can search for Hostinger Reach. And here you're going to find Hostinger Reach. You just need to install it and activate it. You do not need to click here to download it to your computer. If you did this step, you can go over here, click on this Upload plugin on the top next to Add Plugins, and just drag and drop that file that you have downloaded off from here over here, and then click on Install. Once you have activated the plugin, you just need to click on Get Started to set it up. But in this video, I'm just going to click on Select Site because I've already set up a WordPress website on Hostinger. And then here I'm going to click on Connect Site. If you want to learn how to connect it to another service provider like SiteGround or something, let me know in the comments, and I'm going to make another video on it. So here we have got Hostinger Reach connected to our WordPress website on Hostinger. As you can see, you can create a new campaign, create template settings from here. It's going to take you over to Hostinger Reach. If we go back to Profile Settings on the left-hand side, WordPress, we can see here, you can go to WordPress, disconnect the site from here. You can add a form. So create a new form with Hostinger Reach or connect a third-party plugin. So let's click here to add a form. We can see the view supported plugins. So you can install and set up Platform 7 or VP Forms Lite. Or you can just use the contact form that is provided with Hostinger Reach itself. So we can click here to create a form. And you can select a page. For example, for me, it's going to be contact here. So let's click on it. You can also add a new page from here, which is basically going to get you to the Add New Page section on WordPress. So you can create a new page. Here, it's going to automatically add this block, this Hostinger Reach block. And when people click on this area and enter their email, they can subscribe to it. For example, let's click on Save here. And I'm going to click on Preview to check out the website. Let's scroll down. Here we have got the form that's added with Hostinger Reach. It's going to enter in an email and then click on Subscribe. It says, thanks for subscribing. Let's go back to Hostinger Reach. And here you go. In subscribers, there's one new subscriber added. I added another one, so it says 2 new subscribers added now. All right, that's it. That's how to connect Hostinger Reach with your WordPress website on Hostinger. If you want to learn how to connect it with Contact Form 7 or you want to connect it with VP Forms, let me know in the comments. I'm going to make another video on it. But for this one, this is it. I hope this video helped solve the problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right-hand side, you can find more WordPress and other Hostinger related tutorials. So see you there, and bye for now.